Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Target Sunday. So I'm going to go inside Target and share with you guys the deals starting today, which is the 17th through the 23rd. There are some great deals. There were no coupon inserts this week because it is President's Day, but we're still going to go in and check out the deals. And thank you guys so much for contributing to my Valentine's Day project that I did. So on Thursday, after I dropped my daughter off to school, I went to our local children's hospital and I dropped off some handmade cards, and I was able to get 34 stuffed animals, so like 34 little plush animals. So thank you guys so much for contributing to that. I did not film it because I just did not feel right filming in a hospital. There are people that are grieving in a hospital. There are people who are sick and in their most vulnerable state in a hospital, and I just did not feel comfortable doing that. So I just want to thank you guys so much, and I think I'm going to go ahead and reach out to Couponing for a Cause because she is in Southern California too. So I think I'm going to reach out to her and see if she wants to do something for Easter, because I think that us coming together as a couponing community and giving back in a way that we can is great. I'm definitely going to reach out to her and see if she wants to do something for the Easter. So if you guys have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section below, and I will chat with her and see if we can come up with something to do together. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, like this video, and let's just get into Target. I love Target. Hey guys, so there is still time to take advantage of this apparel deal. So it's $10 off shoes, apparel, accessories with a purchase of $40 or more, and this does include clearance, you guys. So this is valid through the 18th, so they extended it through President's Day. So yeah, take advantage. Okay, so we have a repeat deal this week. So the Dove baby bars, they are priced for $2.49, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So go ahead and buy 3 of them for $7.47. Then you get back that $5 Target gift card, making all 3 of them $2.47 or just 82 cents each. So not a bad deal. Alright, you guys, so I just popped onto coupons.com, and there is still a printable coupon for infant Tylenol, and it's infant and children's Tylenol and Motrin. So Target has it priced for the Motrin, Target has it priced for $5.99. So with that $2 off one coupon, it drops it down to just $3.99, which this beats the Up and Up brand. So if you need to stock up, I would just, honestly, I would just come in and just stock up, because you never know when you're going to need it. It's always the worst to run out of infant pain reliever like in the middle of the night. So I would say just come and pick it up and just put it into your medicine cabinet. Okay guys, so we have a nice little deal on the Plum Organic baby foods. So there are baby pouches that are priced as low as $1.29, so look for those. So you can buy 2 of them for $2.58, and there is an Ibotta cash back. There is 95-cent back on 2. It expires in 3 days. So if you want to do this, then make sure you get on it now. So you're going to get 95 cents back, and then there are 500 bonus points on Fetch Rewards. So that's going to take 50 cents off. So in total, you're going to pay $1.13 for 2 or 56 cents each. So this is a really great deal if you want to snag some baby food pouches. Okay, you guys, so we have a really good deal on some Similac here at Target. So the least expensive 32 fluid ounce is priced for $6.99, but my store is completely wiped, which I'm not surprised. But Fetch Rewards has a 4,000 bonus point when you purchase one. So if you get one that's $6.99, then after your cash back, it's $2.99. So that is a really good deal. So yeah, definitely. So definitely head to Target and get some formula for $2.99. Yeah. Okay, so those printable coupons came back for the Gerber. So there is a $5 printable coupon for any Gerber formula. So the cheapest formula is priced for $18.29. So with that $5 coupon, it makes it $13.29. So if it's a formula week for you, then just head to Target and pick some up, but print those coupons first. Okay, so you guys are going to start seeing some new cereals here at Target. So look for the Post Hostess varieties. So they are priced for $2.99. And there is a 50-cent off one coupon you can print from coupons.com, and then you can submit 75 cents to Ibotta for this guy, so it makes it $1.74 after your cash back in Ibotta. Okay, so the Ragu Simply Pasta Sauces, these are priced for $1.87, and on coupons.com we have a 75% off one printable coupon, so that makes this $1.12. So this is going to beat the Market Pantry price too, and just to give you guys a comparison of how much sugar is in the Market Pantry, it's 9 grams, and then this jar right here is supposed to be a lower sugar, so it clocks in at 7 grams of sugar. So it's less sugar in this one. It says there's no sugar added, so probably the only sugar that's in here is just the natural sugar from the tomatoes. All right, so we have a really high value cartwheel for this Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. So it's priced for $2.49, and there is a 50% off Target cartwheel, so that drops it down to $2.24. I think there might have been a Sweet Baby Ray's insert coupon. If there was, I'll let you know in the breakdown below if there are any coupons to pair up with this. Okay, so the Star Kiss tuna and chicken pack, and also the chicken creations, these are priced 5 for $5 or $1 each, so you save 79 cents with the Target sale, so pretty good. You guys, so we have some deals on Revlon. You're going to see Revlon deals everywhere. So Revlon, we have a printable 2-off-1 coupon from coupons.com, and then there are also $2 Ibotta offers. Okay, so they're super lustrous lipsticks. These are priced for $4.99 here at Target. So you can use this $2 off 1 coupon and then submit $2 to Ibotta, and that'll make it 99 cents. I'm not a big fan of these, to be honest with you guys. I don't like the smell of it, and I'm just not a fan. But something that I do like is the Revlon Ultra HD lip colors. So these are priced for $7.99. So you can use that $2 off 1 coupon, submit to Ibotta, and it'll make it just $3.99. They also have lip glosses at $5.99. So you can use the printable 2-off 1 coupon, submit $2 back to Ibotta, so it makes it $1.99. They also have the Kiss Bombs here, so they're priced $4.69. If you guys haven't tried the sugar scrub one, the exfoliating one, this one actually works really well, so you could use the $2 off 1 coupon here. And then I think you can submit to Ibotta. Let's check. If you're ever unsure if something is going to work with Ibotta, all you gotta do is check the barcode. So there's a little icon right there, it says check barcode. So you're going to scan it. I'm going to scan it in store, and this is not a match, so that will not submit to the Ibotta rebate. Neither. Okay, so the Kiss Bombs are not valid, but how you know if it is, you'll get that little check mark sign. So the Kiss Bombs are not included in it, so bummer, but you could still come here, use the coupon on the Kiss Bombs, and pay $2.69. But the Ibotta rebates do not work on this. And then we have a few other printables. We have a 3-off 1 of the Revlon foundation, a 2-off 1 for the brow product, and then we also have Ibotta offers. These are the Ibotta offers. We have $2 back on the face, $2 on the lip, and $2 on any eye. So great deals on Revlon. So we have another, we have a few other printable coupons that came this morning. So the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, this is priced for $9.99, and we have a printable 3-off 1 coupon, so I'll make it $6.99. And then the New York Dream Satin Foundations, these are priced for $7.99 as well, and we have a $2 off 1 coupon, so that'll make that $5.99. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Target in-store deals. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye!